Welcome to Platts Market Movers, your 3-minute look at what the week ahead holds for the Asian commodity markets. This week's highlights: the impact of the US airstrike in Syria on crude, and force majeure in Australia see met coal buyers scrambling for supply. But first, in oil, the market is watching developments in the Middle East after the US missile strike on a Syrian airbase last Thursday sent crude futures soaring in Asia. Analysts said the spike was due to concern over possible supply disruptions if supporters of the Assad regime retaliate. Russia, Iran, and militaries supporting the Syrian president issued a statement early Monday saying they would respond with force to any new aggression. OPEC's monthly report, due to release this week, will shed further light on supply cut compliance. This comes after a surprise build in US stocks last week, which has clouded optimism over market rebalancing. And in coal, BHP Billiton, the world's largest coal supplier, declared force majeure on its Queensland's met coal supply April 5th in the aftermath of Cyclone Debbie. Other major suppliers including Glencore, Yancoal, QCoal, and Jellinbah follow suit, sending buyers scrambling for supply. The spot price of premium low volatile coal spiked 32% April 5th, the biggest single-day rise in met coal history. Thermal coal prices have also jumped 8% in the past month and are expected to remain firm. In steel, the price surge in met coal is likely to be cushioned by high margins in China. But how strongly do you expect other commodities to be affected by the surge in met coal prices? In steel, with strong domestic prices discouraging export, China's March data due for release this week is likely to show a fall in exports from last year. However, it is likely to be higher than February's 3-year low. Moving to agriculture, Asian feed buyers are continuing to eye the price spread between wheat and corn this week. South Korea, the world's third largest corn importer, traded feed wheat at $5 a ton, below feed corn prices last week. The market is expecting US wheat stocks data due for release this week to show a rise in stocks, increasing wheat's competitiveness to rival feed grain. What other big news are you expecting this week? Send us your thoughts on Twitter with #PlattsMarketMovers. Thank you for kicking off your Monday with us and have a great week ahead.